Got a Norfolk Southern southbound train getting ready to come here at Shenandoah Junction. Intermodal. Booking. Got a mixed freight sitting in the siding down there on the other side, so unless there's another southbound right behind it, he's going to be coming out soon. It's got a high green on track 1 CSX, so but the scanner app's still down, so don't know what's coming and going. There's the end of the Norfolk Southern.
It's like a buffer car. You see center beams. I knew it wasn't an oil tank. I saw that.
Got a southbound Norfolk Southern train.
It's either M422 or M371.
Could be a 13R maybe, or one of the other ones, but comes the southbound train. DCAC 4235, 1105, another double stacker. If I had to get the yard cleared out in Bardo so they can have room for the northbound train to get into the yard. I think 12R is sitting there. I've been waiting for almost 2 hours. I got here at 2 o'clock, so it's 4 p.m. now. After 4K, yeah. Northern. This could be the 13R. That was just a double stack, but yeah, it's probably 13R then. Got a bunch of mixed freight in it. This 12R, the mixed freight sitting to the side, is going to be able to turn loose here soon. Surprised they don't have a DPU on this thing. A lot of train for just 2 engines. There's one. It's just single DPU. Box car. Looks like the 13R. State of Moss. Thanks for watching. Sure, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Yeah.
Finally got the train coming out of the siding down there. Train finally leaving left the siding near Shenandoah Junction. 12R, 12Z. 7606, 3652. Southern, Northwestern, and riding Northern, and Northwestern, Norfolk, oh no, Norfolk Western, NW is a 1. RGCX, these gondolas. Comes a DPU. Riding Northern hopper car, or that's in a train. State of Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.